Good morning, third grade. I am excited because I am back in the classroom and I have the whiteboard up and I'm going to try to do our math lesson this morning using our whiteboard. So this is kind of like old school back when we were here together. So let's get started. So I'm on page 637. We're on lesson 11.3, finding the unknown side lengths. We are going to be using algebra. How can you find the unknown length of a side in a plane figure when you know its perimeter? So we already know the perimeter. How are we going to find this missing side? Chen has 27 feet of fencing to put around his garden. He has already used the lengths of fencing shown. How much fencing does he have left for the last side? It says write an equation for the perimeter. And remember, an equation is like a math sentence. So here's an equation. We've got 5 plus 3 plus, we know 7 plus 4. Let's write those in. Plus n, that is the unknown. That's this. Well, I can add these together, and I know 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I get 19. But I need to get 27. So how do I get from 19 to 27? Well, I can count up 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. But instead of counting on our fingers, we could also subtract 27. That's our total. Take away what we know. Now here's our math, our subtracting. We have to borrow. We cannot take a bigger number from a smaller number. We're going to go over here and borrow, and this becomes 17. 9 from 17. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. 1 take away 1 is 0. So 8, So what is equal to 27 take away 19? N equals 8. Try this. The perimeter of the figure is 24 meters. Find the unknown side length, W. Okay, so when I look over here, here's W. Here's W. I am going to start here. So find a place to start and make sure that you measure all of your numbers. So from here to here is 6 plus 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1 plus W. Well, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. We've got 21 here. Now, if this is 5 meters, to here is 2 meters, right? Same as up here. So 5, take away these 2, this would be 3 meters. So W is going to be 3 meters. 21 plus W, 3, is 24. Okay. Now we could say 24 take away 21 is going to give us our answer. So 3 is equal to 24 take away 21. So the unknown side length W is 3 meters. Okay, let's take a look at our next page. Lauren has a rectangular blanket. The perimeter, that's the distance around, is 28 feet. The width of the blanket is 5 feet. What is the length? Well, 5 plus 5 is going to be, let's see. If our length is 7 feet, 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 would be 24. So it can't be that. These are our predictions. 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8, let's see, 8 plus 8 is 16, and 10 more is 26. No? How about 9 feet? 9 plus 9 is 18, and the 2 5s make 10. 18 and 10 is 28. But here's how I would like to figure that out. I would like to say, I know it's 28 inches all the way around. And I'm going to subtract my 2 widths. 5 and 5 is 10. That leaves me with 18. 18 for both sides. So one side is half of 18 and the other side is half of 18. Either way, you can do the predicting and figure it out this way, or you can do it this way. Let's take a look at our next page. So here you are going to be practicing some problems. Perimeter is 25, and this says 9 plus what plus what plus n. Well, here's our 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus what would give us 25? Remember inverse operation. I have my total 25, and now I'm going to add the sides that I know. Well, 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. To find the missing, I'm going to subtract. Again, I have to borrow. 15 take away 8. Let's see, 8 plus 8 is 16, so 8 plus 7. 7 would work. N equals 7. 7 is equal to 25 take away 18. So we add what we know and subtract from our total. Let's try another one. We have 34 meters. That's what I already know, 34 meters. And I know I have 7 plus 7. These two sides together make 14. I'm going to subtract. 4 from 4 is 0. 3 take away 1 is 2. And I have 20. But 20 plus 20 is 40. That would be too big. I have to cut this in half. Half of 20 is 10. So J is equal to 10. Let's count it. 10, 20, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. We got it. What about this square? We don't know any. Well, we know we have 12 feet all the way around. And how many sides do we have? Let's divide it by 4 sides. Each side is 3 feet. So we're adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Let's try this one. Let's count. Well, first of all, we know the perimeter is 32, so let's circle that. Now let's count what we already have. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 8. Let's see, that's 14. Carry a 1. 24 plus 3 more, 25, 26, 27. So I have 27. Well, I'm not going to write that there. Let's write that up here. 27. And I have to subtract that from what I already know, 32. So can I take 7 from 2? No. I'll have to borrow. And now 7 from 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5. So K is equal to 5. Okay, so I want you to practice with the rest of those, and I'll be back with our assignment in just a few minutes.